Hi, I'm Garrett with the Grit and Polish, and today I wanted to show you guys how we made the shaker peg shelf right behind me. We built it in place and it was super simple. This tutorial is only a couple minutes long. I think you guys can take this project on. If you do, share it and let us know how it went. If you're wondering about the specific dimensions and lengths of the materials we used in this project, go on over to the Grit and Polish. There's a post on it and it has the lumber dimensions, the different materials linked, and everything you need to get the project done. The first thing we did was attach the back of the shelf to the wall, and this is going to form the support for all the other pieces of the shelf. So get it nice and level and positioned where you want it on the wall. As I'm attaching these pieces together, I'm using a 16 gauge brad nailer and then also some glue. If you'd like a super sturdy shelf, maybe your shelf is actually a little bigger and can support a little more weight, you could definitely use some screws. You can add the shelf part, and we glued that on and then nailed it together. Then attach the side pieces to the backer board. You can add a little bit of interest by cutting a curve like I did in these, or you can use a straight angled piece of shelf material. Kind of however you want that to look a little bit more modern or traditional. This is a good spot to add a little bit of excitement and detail to the shelf. Now we're ready to lay out where the shaker pegs are going to go. The spacing in this shelf are about 8 inches. And so we start in the center and then measure out 8 inches apart all the way down, and then we have about 4 inches left on each end. I just used a 1/2 inch drill to make a hole through the backer board, and that's gonna be right where the shaker pegs attach. Add a little bit of construction adhesive into the hole and make sure you get just enough that it barely squishes out as you push the shaker peg in. And that's it. That's that simple. Your shaker peg shelf is going to be ready to paint, prime, stain, whatever you like. This turned out really nice. It's kind of thin here because the doors open onto it. It provides a place to hang some coats, or we just have some staging items in here right now, but it's a nice little functional spot for some art, some keys, whatever in the entryway here.